You ready? Yeah. Okay. You tell me if you want a break, okay? Sorry, that probably tickled, didn't it? Yeah. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Loud, isn't it?
Look up, Alex. Look at me once.
You're doing so well.
Are you excited, Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna make one more cut down here. Good job. We're almost through down here. One more cut by your ankle, I think, and we're done. Good job. This last little corner just doesn't want to come apart. There we go. Good job. One side done. You did so good. And I can see the blue tape on this side, so good. This is gonna tickle. Ready? I am so impressed. Most kids your age are not this brave. You made this so much easier than what it usually is. Good job.
Wow.
How old are you? 3. Do you know that most 3-year-olds just cry and kick me, and you did not do any of those. So good job. Does that tickle a little?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're almost done. You're almost free.
Buddy. Are you excited?
You excited to see your leg?
Yeah.
Look at what it looks like.
Wow. Hasn't seen the light of day for 5 years.
Sorry. I know it's kind of tickles because nothing's touched your leg in so long. All right. Let's see if we can just-
Wow.
Your big toe stuck in there? You pinched? Almost got it. There we go.
We did it, it's off.
Good job.
Looks skinny.
Yeah, it's really
He has a sticker in there.
Is there a sticker in there?
That's
Oh,
what I
yeah.
think. That's what I meant.
All right. I'll tell X-ray you're ready. We'll take a picture of that leg, okay? Just make sure everything's looking good.
How's it feel, Alex?
Better? Good.
Can you believe it? It's off.
Like I said.
Oh, yeah. Hey, high five. We took your cast off. Now you can walk around. Does it feel different?
Yeah.
Can you bend your knee a little bit? Let's see if this will take you into the market. We did it. Oops.
Alex, look. Look at me though.
That's
Don't
your
put it
bone?
up.